What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best vinyl cutter. This is the numero uno issue that needs to be settled before everything else. Since personal vinyl cutters vary from the commercial ones, it's best to decide at the outset which way you'll go. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 vinyl cutter. Number 1. US Cutter 34-inch MH Vinyl Cutter. The product we're going to discuss is the best vinyl cutter for small business, more affordable compared to its counterparts. The machine comes with 3 malleable pinch roller. The roller system contains ball-bearing roller media. At the first glance, the product might look outdated. But thanks to the Vinyl Master Cut software, sharp and durable blades with easy replacement facility. The Vinyl Master software runs on Windows. Number 2. Qriket Explore Air 2 Mint Vinyl Cutter. If you're done with making vinyl stickers and want to explore a bit more, then this machine is going to make your creative dreams come true. Free access to a library of designs for greater diversity. Android and iOS compatible for remote work. The best part of this product is that it allows you to work on over 100 different types of materials. Smart set dial for the perfect pressure and depth. Superior German carbide blades for smoother cuts. Number 3. Silhouette Cameo Mint Vinyl Cutter. If you're on the lookout for a vinyl plotter that can cut designs up to 12 inches wide and 10 feet long, then this is the product of your dreams. You can work with a variety of materials, from vinyl to plenty of fabrics. Suitable for working on large-size designs. You can easily start using this product by simply connecting it to your Mac or PC using a USB cable. Responsive touchscreen, built-in storage, and cross-cutter. Freedom to choose own designs or access library. Number 4. Brother CM 350 Mint Vinyl Cutter. This machine has some unique features that make it one of the best vinyl cutters, as you're sure to get more than you bargained for. You can either choose to work from your workstation or work remotely. Wireless connectivity for work flexibility. It offers more than 600 designs from its system, saving you time if you're not in the mood to craft your own design. This works just as well on hand-drawn shapes and fonts. Welding feature for combining different designs. Number 5. Silhouette America Curio Vinyl Cutter. Silhouette America Curio Crafting Printer is your go-to tool for embossing creative designs on cards for professional or personal use. The device is compatible with both Windows and Mac OS. It cuts through any material of 2 mm of thickness. The Curio comes with a special cushion mat which gives support to the paper material while it is being compressed. The dual carriage system lets you finish multiple projects. It can etch, emboss and stipple on a 5 mm surface.